Russell Sheldon Wade Shepherd. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Fuck you.
I hate that stuff.
Fuck you.
You got like a whole head in there. Did you see coming out of his shirt?
Fuck you.
You're mean.
You're a little bitch.
I don't
man.
like armpit hair. I think it's nasty. It was like a whole patch.
Shut the fuck up.
What's my tutor hair? It's that
You're
long.
a little bitch.
What if they was not like that?
Fuck
What'd you do?
Fuck you.
Can you imagine? That's like my mom.
That was,
He saw my
nasty.
mom's tutor.
That was nasty as fuck.
How? She was drunk. I said something, and she just like pulled her shirt up and dropped her pants. I told him not to look, but he looked.
I thought you were just fucking around.
I don't fuck around, buddy.
Shut the fuck up. Like you hit you in the face.
Oh my god. Oh. What the fuck, Autumn? Eat it! Put it in your mouth!
Too much fucking popsicle.
What the? Okay.
Ah, nah.